Good morning to all the students of class 5 of Modern International School, Hiswa. Dear students, in earlier video I taught the half a story of chapter 4 whose title is Love That Chocolate. Dear student, chocolate is such things that attracts not only the students but also others and senior age men, women also. Here you have read about chocolate and it arrives at factories. Then they are cleaned and roasted in a resolving oven which cracks them. With the help of current of air, cells are removed. That means cells are displayed and left edible part that is known as nibs. These nibs contains 54% fat called cocoa butter that is brown. The fat is used in powerful process which changes into a hard cake and allowed to squeeze out of the press. The cake is crushed and sifted to have the familiar brown cocoa powder. Dear student, manufacturing chocolate, that means where chocolate is made, the roasted nibs are crushed, mixed with sugar and made into a paste. In the process, dried cow milk is added to the mixture of milk chocolate is made. Vanilla or other flavorings are also added. With the help of machine, it changes into thin dry flakes. Thus, chocolate becomes a fine, rich, liquid, polished mold where it is left to solidify and given a gentle tap, the solid blocks come out. Dear student, chocolate bars are a source of minerals and vitamins B because they add a lot of calorie to our diet. Dear student, it is said that one small chocolate bar provides the same number of calories as 2 bananas or 150 grams of cheese. The special feature of chocolate, like caffeine, can awake in when our body needs rest. That means if we want to awake in the night, that time we need to use this chocolate or caffeine also because it helps us to awake the night. But remember this point, we should not eat a lot of chocolate, too much chocolate. So attention please, and rest part. It is believed that Columbus, who discovered America, as you know that the discovered person of America is Columbus, when he returned from his journey voyages to Central America in 16th century to get some cocoa beans he brought back to Spain. This drink was made from crushed cocoa beans and water. That is known as chocolatal, that is cold. The people of Spain prepared their drink is similar way, but it is mixed with sugar instead of pepper, and kept the secret of this drink for 100 years. In 17th century, the knowledge of this wonderful drink spread to France and the rest part of Europe, and popular drink among the rich. Around 1700, chocolate houses sprang up all over London and other European countries. It is said that in the initial period, chocolate was used in form of powder only, but in the middle of 19th century, chocolate began to use as eating and coating sweets. It is said that in 1876, the Swiss learnt how to blend milk and sugar with chocolate. Thus milk chocolate conquered the world, and it is very popular. It is very famous all over the world. All of us attracted to chocolate. Thanks.